How to set up Google Family Link on my child's iPhone. Want to manage your child's digital activity on their iPhone? Let's set up Google Family Link together. So first and foremost, go ahead and open the App Store on your iOS device. And then once you're on the App Store, go ahead and head over into the search tab. So once you're on the search tab, go ahead and use the search bar and search for Google Family Link. And then on the results, you must find the Google Family Link app. Click on Get to start downloading the app. And then once you have downloaded the app, sign in with your Google account and either create a new Google account for your child or link their existing one. Once you've signed with your account, go ahead and select what applies for you for this section, if your child have a Google account or not. And then from here, go ahead and follow this instruction. So open your child's device settings. For Android devices, go to Google and then select parental controls. For Chrome OS devices, go to people and then parental controls. Follow the steps to set up parental controls and tap down below when you're finished. And that is how to set up Google Family Link on my child's iPhone.